Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. I'm going to be teaching you guys I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this tutorial. Okay, here is my daughter over here, so I'm going to show you guys how I did this hair tutorial. Okay, keep watching as we take you along. It's just a short video of how to pick it and how to put water, how to then it's just a simple way of tutorial. Okay, keep watching as I go and okay. Okay guys, I'm going to be using some cream to rub the hair. As I use some cream to rub it, and at the same time I'm going to pick my expression, then use it to weave it. I'll be showing you guys the expression. Okay, and very soon you will see the expression, and it's from Africa. You can get it from the Africa shop. It's already drawn and stretch attachment. Okay, they stretch it very well, and it's very nice. Okay, so yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, here is the extension. Okay, it's already stretched and everything. Okay, so this is it. It's called Easy Braid Stretch, and yeah, okay, guess you love it. You can even use it to do wig, but I normally use it to do my braid. So wig is just natural, you my hair 100%. So guys, keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm just gonna pick it from the down. You can see the way one hand I was wearing my nails, and the other one I was not wearing nails. Okay, because I need to remove the nails so that I can easily use it to grab it very well. But guess what, next I won't remove my nails, and yeah, because with nails I'm okay. It's just something that you just need to learn. And yeah, I was like, oh my god, I wish I know I could have left the remaining 4 nails, but it's fine. I will fix it back tomorrow. And as I'm talking now, it's more than 3 a.m. midnight editing this video, so the struggle is real. I'm gonna edit it so that I will have more space tomorrow. Oh, now I'm adding water. Just want to add hot water to it for the hair to wear stretch and to relax, and so that it can be soft and the hair won't loose. And at the same time, I'm gonna curl it a little bit, just roll it this way, use it to tie the hair because the hair is really long. Okay, I just want that to carry it this way. Okay, so I saw one of my friends, I keep them carrying a long hair, and the hair was really beautiful. I love it. I was like, oh, this will look good on my daughter, so fine. So that is how I did it for her. So I'm adding the hot water again. I'm gonna put hot water to just make the hair relax and cool a little bit. Okay, because we need some coils. As a baby girl, they need some coils. I always love whenever I see little kids up to maybe 15 years carrying hair with coils. I love it so much. I always love it. So whenever I see my daughter, she's always with coils, and no matter what, I will always cut the tip as far as the hair is a little bit long. But this one, it was extra long for her, but it's okay. It's okay. Her hair pressure would be 11, so it's okay for her to still try to carry long hair. Yeah, it's okay. I should love it. edge, okay, just to make sure that she's not feeling some pain and a little bit warm. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this my sunsilk oil, just oil to make it shine, and at the same time I'll be adding mousse just like the way I did mine. Okay, I will be using oil from sunsilk, and at the same time I will be using my mousse. And after that, I think the video is just something you need to watch yourself. I don't want to talk that much. Okay, keep on watching. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And at the same time I was cooking because it's already late, and that video we ate so late, like it was really late, but it's okay. It was weekend. I appreciate you guys for watching. I love you. Keep on watching as we do the rest. Okay, thank you.
Lascia. Lascia, sit there, Lascia.